Good morning, students. Today we learn the new chapter in science, that is sorting materials into groups. Dear students, we will see variety of objects everywhere. We are seeing variety of objects everywhere in daily life. We see around us a chair, a bullock cart, a cycle, cooking utensils, books, clothes, toys, water, stones, and many other objects. All these objects have different shapes, colors, and uses. In daily life, we are seeing many things. These are made up of different shapes, colors, and uses. Look at this picture, dear students. Look at this picture. Here we are seeing many objects, that is a car, a almirah, a clothes, gas stove, a scooter, table. These are the variety of objects. All these things are made up of one or more than one materials. In daily life, when you are walking in the surroundings, you will see a car is moving on the road, a train is moving, and a bus is moving, vehicles are moving, and also when you go to a market, you will see a variety of shops and variety of vehicles you are seeing. When you come to home, you will see a chair, a table, and variety of things in the home. In this way, you are seeing variety of objects in the surroundings. Things we use in our day-to-day life are made up of living things, non-living things, and man-made. In living things, we are seeing man, animals, and birds. We are seeing man and animals like lion, tiger, cow, deer, etc. And in non-living things, we will observe building, chair, bullock cart, etc. These are the non-living things, and we will see some man-made things. For example, scooter, chair, almirah, etc. These are all man-made things. In this way, you are seeing many objects around us. Then what is meant by an object? So object is anything which can we see and touch is called as an object. For example, pen. Your pen is an object because you can see the pen and touch and write the given words or given notes. So a pen is also an object. So anything which can see and touch is called as object. So here a knife is made up of wood and steel. You are using a knife in the kitchen room. It is made up of wood and steel. And cooked vegetables is made by using various spices and oils, etc. Therefore, all these things are made up of one or more than one materials. In this way, objects around us, you can see many objects around us. So you have seen that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Food have very varieties and clothes have different clothes you have been seen. Not just only food and clothes. There is such a vast variety of objects everywhere. You can see a vast varieties of objects everywhere in the surroundings. We see around us daily life. Dear students, look at the picture. Let us see some objects around us. Let us see some more objects around us. Look at this picture. Here there is an object, that is pipe, table, shirt, brick, box, glass, marble. You can see this picture here. Pipe, table, shirt, brick, marble, glass, and box are the objects you are seeing in this picture. So an object is anything we touch, see and touch. Here you can touch the pipe and you can see the bricks. For example, you can see the table and you can touch the table. In this way, object is anything which we can see and touch. Look at this picture. All these objects have different shapes, colors and uses. Here the objects have different shapes, colors and uses. Let us see characteristics of some objects. So objects have different shapes. Dear students, look at this picture. Objects have different shape. Here you are in this picture, you are seeing shirt, table, bricks and marble. You are seeing in this picture shirt, table, bricks and marble. These are in various shape. For example, shirt is in the flat shape, table is in the cuboid shape and marble is in the round shape. So every objects have different shapes. And objects have different colors. So in this picture, shirt is in the blue color, table is in the brown color, marble is in the green color and bricks is in the red color. In this way, different objects have different colors. Here shirt is in blue color, while table is in brown color, marble is in green color and bricks is in red color. In this way, varieties of objects have varieties of colors. And also objects have different sizes. Each object have different sizes. Look at this picture. Students, some objects are big in size and some objects are small in size. Here table and bag are big in size, while the objects, that is sheds, marbles and bricks, are in small in size. In this way, objects have different sizes. Some are big and some are small sizes. In this way, every object has different sizes. And objects have different uses. Each object has its own uses. So in this way, different objects have different uses. Look at this picture. Here shirt is used for wearing purposes. Here shirt is used for wearing purposes and glass is useful for drinking water or drinking purpose, and while is pipe is used for transporting water from one place to another place. So water is transported by using pipe from one place to another place. Here table is there. It is used to keeping things. So you have to keep it is useful for keeping various things in the offices, in our homes, etc. So in this way, table is useful for keeping things and bag is useful for again keeping things and transport from one place to another place. For example, you will go to the market to purchase some vegetables in the market. We will bring these from this bag, will bring these vegetables from the market to our home. In this way, bag is useful for keeping things. And brick is useful for construction of houses. So brick is useful for construction of houses and marble is useful for playing purposes. So kids are using marbles to play marble game. In this way, each object has its own uses. So here shirt is useful for your wearing purpose, while glass is useful for a drinking purpose and pipes are useful for transporting water, while table is useful for keeping things and bags is useful for keeping things and transport vegetables from vegetables from market to home, and bricks is useful for construction of houses, and marble is useful for playing purposes. In this way, each object has its different uses, or each object has its own uses. So a varieties of objects have different shapes, have different colors, and the objects around us are made up from different materials, have different uses. In this way, objects have a varieties of objects have been seen in our daily life. Nowadays, some objects may be round in shape, some are cylindrical in shape, some are plastics, some are made by metals, and some objects are made by glass, etc. So nowadays we are seeing varieties of objects. Some are round in shape, some are cylindrical in shape, some are plastics, some metals, and some glass objects are seen nowadays. So a varieties of objects can be put into some groups. All objects around us are made up of one or more materials. These materials may be glass, metals, plastics, wood, cotton, paper, mud or soil, etc. So, all objects around us are made up of one or more materials. These materials may be glass, metals, plastics, wood, etc. Let us know what is material. Material is a substance which is used in making different objects. It is a substance which is used in making different objects. While object is anything which we can see and touch, but material is a substance which is used for making different objects. So materials are mainly classified into two types. First one is naturally occurring material, and second one man-made material. Materials are mainly classified into two types: naturally occurring material and man-made material. So naturally occurring material are the material occur in nature. For example, wood, cotton, jute, silk, mud, and all kinds of fruits and cereals. These are all the materials which are occurring in nature. Therefore, these are classified under naturally occurring material. And second one is man-made material. As the name itself indicates, these are the materials which are made by man by combining two or more natural materials. These are the materials which are made by man by combining two or more natural materials. Examples: plastic, glass, nylon, steel, etc. Plastic, glass, nylon, steels are the man-made material. Therefore, a material is a substance which is used in making different objects. Objects is anything which we can see and touch. Dear students, look at the table here. This table shows objects and materials. Examples for objects and materials. So object is anything which we can see and touch. For examples of objects are: seer, book, tumbler, chair, toy, shoes, book, tumbler, chair, toy, shoes. These are the examples for object. you can here these objects anything we can see and touch. For example, you can see the book and you can touch the book, therefore book is an object. Similarly, tumbler, chair, toys, shoes, etc. These are all the examples for objects. Then materials. So look at this picture or look at this table. Materials, a substance which is used in making different objects. A substance is a which is used for making different objects is called as materials. Materials are classified into mainly two types: naturally occurring material and man-made material. The examples for materials are glass, wood, paper, leather, plastic. These are the examples for materials. So here these are the substance which is used in making different objects. Here wood is an example for material. So by using these material, it is used for making different objects. For example, by using wood material, you can make chair, table, flag, bullock cart and wheels, etc. These objects are made by using the material wood. Therefore, wood is a substance which is used in making different objects. Therefore, wood is a material which is used in making different objects. Let us know different types of objects that are made from the materials. So let us know different types of objects that are made from the material. Here in this table, two tables are given. Look at the picture, dear students. Here two columns are given. One column shows material and second column shows objects made of these materials. By using these materials, number of objects are manufactured. So here in first column, material, by using wood you can create many or you can manufacture many objects. By using wood you can, so chair, table, flag, bullock cart and its wheel are manufactured by these wood material. So material is a substance which is used in making different objects. It is a substance which is used in making different objects. Here paper is a material. By using this paper material, books, notebooks, newspapers, toys, calendars are manufactured. So by using paper you are manufacturing books, notebooks, newspapers, toys, calendar, etc. By leather material you can prepare shoes, belts, purses, jackets, suitcase, bags, etc. So by using leathers, shoes, belts, purses, jackets, suitcase, bags, etc. Then plastic is a material. By using plastic you can manufacture buckets, chairs, tables, bags, briefcase, lunch box, etc. So plastic uses buckets, chairs, tables, bags, briefcase, lunch box, etc. And then cotton is a material. By cotton you are manufacturing clothes, bandage, bed sheets, cushions and bags. So by using cotton you are manufacturing clothes, bandage, bed sheets, cushions and bags, etc. And iron is also a material. By using iron, so that you can create or you can manufacture various objects, that is chairs, tables, doors, bathroom fittings, mesh, wheels and other railway goods. Railway tracks are made by iron material. So So from this you can found that objects around us are made up of different materials. So objects around us are made up of different materials. So objects around us are made up of a large varieties of materials. So objects around us are made up of a large number of materials. Dear students, today we have learnt about objects, materials and types of materials and examples for objects and examples for materials. Dear students, let us take homework for today. First one, name 5 objects that can be made from wood. Name 5 objects that can be made from wood. Second one, select those objects from the following which shine. So you have to select those objects from the following which shine. First one, glass bowl. Second, plastic toy. Third one, steel spoon. Next one, cotton shirt. You have to select those objects from the following which shine. So that's all for today. Thank you.